Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Reports.
The dollar rose, extending its gains from the previous day as investors looked ahead to Friday's key US payrolls report for signs of softness that could signal slowing US rate hikes and possibly a weakening in the greenback after this year's sharp rally. New Tesla models leaving the automaker's factories won't be equipped with ultrasonic parking sensors beginning this month and will rely solely on cameras for driver assistance features, including autopilot. Tesla announced that Model 3 sedans and Model Y SUVs would be the first to skip the ultrasonic sensors. Oil prices edged up after OPEC Plus agreed to further tighten global crude supply with a deal to slash oil production by about 2 million barrels per day. The Aussie dollar pair dove 1.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw Twitter's stock drop 2.9%. The stochastic RSI's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the dollar rise 0.4% against the yen. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair plummeted 1.7% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The US unemployment rate will be released at 12:30 GMT. Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. Japan's leading economic index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Germany's retail sales at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's industrial production at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.